I'm over here in Diamond Bar. It's a pretty easy hike, Diamond Bar Trail. And when you just come up a little bit, you'll be able to see the top of the mountain. And there seems to be still some snow left on top of the mountain. So go to the mountains if you guys want to go and see the snow. But otherwise, you guys could come and enjoy the day. It's a beautiful day in Diamond Bar. I would highly recommend anybody coming out and enjoying the day by yourself or with your family. Yep, it's a beautiful day, beautiful view. Amazing. And the trails are not too hard. It's pretty intermediate level. So I hope everybody's having a great day. Remember to breathe deep when you breathe. That alone will get your blood pressure down and get more oxygen flowing in your body. So come to the mountains like this and breathe in, because it's a beautiful thing when your cells get new oxygen and feel the changes in your blood. I guess the purity. Liver will be able to work much efficiently once you give the option, when you have enough oxygen in your body, clean oxygen. Oxygen is essential for health. So don't forget, breathe in deep and have a great day.